up, honey?
I'm fine.
It was a beautiful service.
The flowers were the most beautiful flowers I have ever seen.
They were beautiful. A lot better that Shelby is with her king.
Yes, Annelle, I guess it should.
We should all be rejoicing.
Well, you go on ahead. I'm sorry if I don't feel like it. I guess I'm a little selfish. I'd rather have her here.
And I think that in Shelby's case, she just wanted to take care of that little baby and of you, of everybody she knew. And her poor little body was just worn out. It just wouldn't let her do all the things she wanted to. So she went on to a place where she could be a guardian angel.